Hello YouTube, it is the Pro here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get Sony Vegas and Photoshop for free. But before we get into video, I would like to say that I am doing a G Fuel starter kit giveaway. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will choose one of you guys to get a code which will take this G Fuel starter kit and make it 100% off. And yeah, let's get right into the video.
Yo, Pierre, you want to come out here?
Now, like I was saying in the intro, guys, I will be showing y'all how to get Photoshop and Sony Vegas for free. Now, I will link these two in the description. It's a website, Crow has it. It has a lot of things, games, Illustrator, has a lot of stuff on here. And they also have Photoshop and Sony Vegas. And what you want to do is download it, but make sure your system requirements look something like this, because if they don't, the program will crash a lot and it will be very frustrating to use. And I don't think y'all want to go through that yet. So download both of these, and once you download them, you're going to want to open up the RAR. Make sure you have RAR too. Open up the RAR, and then for Photoshop, hit setup. The thing's gonna pop up. Hit yes, English, next, accept it, next, yeah, next, and then when the license key pops up, you're gonna want to open the serial. Make sure you don't close this. Open the serial. We're gonna want to copy this, put it in here, and then paste it and hit next, and you'll be all good to go. And then you can install the Photoshop. Now I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it again. And then the same thing is for the Vegas one, except for the Vegas, you're going to want to run this one first, the trial exe. Run this one first. The thing's going to pop up again. Hit yes. Now, see, for me, since I already have it installed, it's going to say this. But after you install this one, you have to install this, because this is the patch that makes it to where it's usable, and it's not just a trial. Hit yes, and yeah, you're gonna want to go through this, and then it'll be patched. And I didn't know there's some damn Russian language or some shit. And I believe you also need this to run Sony Vegas, because I'm pretty sure when you first download it and you try to run it, it's going to say you need something. So I'm going to link this too in the description, and I'm pretty sure you need this to run it. So yeah, I'll link this. And yeah, basically once you've done that, you can go to your desktop, launch both of them, and it'll work. Say yes. See Vegas Pro. I'm just letting it load so y'all can see that it works. Photoshop, oh yeah, Photoshop is already running. You see they both work perfectly fine. There you go, Photoshop. Then when Vegas loads, and here you go, Vegas. As you see, you do have Vegas and you have Photoshop. You have both, so there you go. Yeah, that's the tutorial, guys. Hope you like it. That's it, and peace.